You want to help me cook? Let's go. First, put this in there. Sink. Put it in the sink. Okay, now this in there. Okay, now we got to stir, stir, stir. You want to stir it? Here, stir it. Yeah, good job. Why don't you try your right hand? All right, we'll do that. And now you want to do the eggs. Crack it. Crack it. Like this. You do it. Crack. Eggs cracked. What's next, Cardi? Put this in. Yeah, now put it in the sink. Next, we do butter. Hey, Lucas, you want to help us cook? Yeah. All right, we'll jump up here. Good job, Carter. All right, let's leave. Carter, you want to try it?
I want to try it.
Let's get Carter first. You have been cooking for a long time. Carter, here you go. No? Carter wants some help with this because can you help him? Hold on tight. Set it down, Carter. It's alright. Here, Carter. Put this in there. Okay. Put it in for Lucas. Put it in. Good job. Here, Cardi. You want to put another one in? Put it in.
Yeah.
Here, Cardi.
Yeah.
So now we have to add this to this. Gotta hold this. Let go. Cardi, Lucas. Nope. Other way around. Carter and Lucas. Put it in. Carter, can you help? No, no, no. Lucas said this goes in there. See that?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Banana. All right. Now this has to be slow, okay?
I want that.
No, we don't want to over mix it. Nice and slow. Here you go. Mix it in. Get everything wet. What? Banana? Too much, Lucas. That's a little too much, buddy. Let's go with a little less. There you go. Put some back. Okay.
How about me?
I try, little Lucas?
Oh yeah, get some spoons in there.
Okay.
Just chew. Chew. You like this.
All right. Fill them up.
Cookies. Cookies. Yeah, cookies.
Cupcakes. Don't touch.
Cookies.
It's not a cupcake, it's a muffin.
Yeah. We're making like those muffins. Yeah, mushrooms. Mushrooms.
Don't touch.
Mushrooms. A mushroom.